Welcome to Decimal Stakes. It's a competitive game that combines the betting mechanics of a card room with the strict mathematical logic of decimal place values. To walk away with your opponent's chips, you need a smart betting strategy and a perfect grasp of the number line. First, prepare the deck. You strip out all the high cards, remove the tens and face cards completely. Keep the aces, which count as a 1. Every player starts the game with an initial bankroll of 20 chips. Each chip represents $1. Before any cards are drawn or math happens, every round begins with an ante. Each player pays exactly 1 chip into the center of the table to create the communal pot. Looking at this rule sheet, a die roll controls the decimal point. Roll a 3 and the decimal moves 3 spaces left. Next, you draw 5 random cards, keeping them hidden. In this example, the hand is 4, 6, 3, 5, and 3. To build the biggest number, place your highest digits into the largest place values. Fill the slots from left to right, placing the 6 in the tens place, stepping down to the 3s in the hundredths and thousandths. If you fail to sort your cards strictly from largest to smallest, left to right, you immediately minimize your hand's total value, destroying your chance of winning the round. Let's test this with a new hand. Player 2 draws a 2, an ace, which equals 1, a 6, a 5, and a 4. Pause the video and determine the optimal arrangement for these 5 cards using the same format. The correct mathematical arrangement is 65.421. Now players enter the betting phase. Based on confidence, you must risk at least 1 chip in the center pot. When all bets are in, players reveal their cards. To compare these two complex decimals, you evaluate them place by place, starting from the furthest left digit. Here, the highlight scans past the matching tens, ones, and tenths. You look for the exact place value where the numbers diverge. In this case, that split happens in the hundredths column. Because 3 hundredths is greater than 2 hundredths, player 1's number is larger. It does not matter what digits sit further to the right in the thousandths place. Player 1 wins the betting pot. Looking back at the official rules, the communal pot grows each round. A player claims it by winning 2 consecutive rounds. The game continues until a player runs out of chips. At that moment, everyone counts their remaining chips to determine the victor. To summarize a single turn, you ante and roll, you draw and build your optimal number, you bet, then you reveal and compare. Whether you are managing your chips at the table or solving problems on a test, mastering left-to-right place value evaluation is your strongest tool.